Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Hope you people have completed your previous assignments. Today we shall begin with economics, topic understanding development. But before entering into the mainstream of our agenda, let us know the important terms. First one, both pictures, you can see two persons standing on each side. Both the persons will have different point of views. So what we see and hear is just perspective, not truth. The next term, development. It means progress, growth or improvement. And the various perspectives mentioned in a web diagram you can see in the slide. Few people, it means better standard of living. Some, they mean learning from mistakes and acquiring more knowledge and so on. So make a pause and make a note of all these points. Now, gross pay income means without deduction. Net pay or income means after deduction. So I'll give an example for you to understand. If a person is employed in a company and his salary has been fixed at 30,000, but still if he receives in hand 20,000 after deducting the amount for insurance, PF, ESI, etc. So what does he get in the gross pay? 30,000. And what is his net pay? 20,000. Next term, domestic product means final goods and services produced within domestic territory where only the income of all residents of that country is included. Whereas national products means final goods and services produced by residents and also includes the income from abroad. Now let us begin with our main agenda. So you can see in the picture GDP, GNP, NNP, all these are the various terms of indicators of economic growth. We need all these to measure the country's income and to know its development. Countries with higher income to be considered more developed than those with lesser income. So let us quickly begin to know all these in one by one. As I have explained earlier, domestic and national, you can see on the picture GDP and GNP. Have a look. Now, NNP. So from GNP, if we deduct depreciation, we get NNP, net national product. You may be familiar with the word depreciation, wear and tear. So in economics, it is loss of value of assets or capital in productive activities. Per capita income also known as output per person. So as the name implies, it shows the living standard of people in a country. In the picture you can see a formula. This can be acquired through this formula. Next, PPP. It allows the comparison of purchasing power of various world currencies to one another. Staple food, people's habits and economic policies are all different. So it is very difficult to express the accurate purchasing power parity between two countries. Human Development Index. As in the picture depicts, it indicates all round development of the people in the society. Example, health of the people, education and their income and standard of living. Have the look of the flow chart. So in the past, economics believed the rate of economic growth of nations are increased only by increasing physical capital investment. Recently, they realized human capital investment is most important investment. The next important agenda, sustainability. Sustainability means maintaining and supporting the resources of the world where we live in to preserve it for the future generation. Can you see the three factors where you can get the green economy? So this flow chart shows different sources of energy. Its example formation, all you might have read in your previous classes. Now, non-renewable resources is not replaced with the speed at which it is consumed. So, we must be not exploiting these resources. Instead, use alternate energy such as solar or wind energy to preserve for our future generation. Now check the Venn diagram. So to achieve real sustainability, we need to balance economical, social and environmental factors in equal progress. This is a GIF file. It will be moving on fast. So make a pause and have a look of all the 17 goals to attain sustainability development. Again I repeat, make a pause. In maintaining this economic development, we are facing many issues like pollution, deforestation, depletion of groundwater. So to overcome these, the economic policies are being laid down by our government. Also, as a citizen of India, we must also play an important role in maintaining resources as well as supporting our government by following their rules. This is a list of environmental acts what we are following in India. So to protect our resources. So your economics chapter got ended. Hope you have understood all the terms and your agenda. Now get started for your further instruction and to complete your assignments. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Jazakallah khair.